everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts. So for this purpose, what you need to do, just open Gmail app on your mobile phone. Once you open app, then at the top right corner, you have your profile button. Click on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have the option of add another account. Click on it. Then from here, you need to set up email. So I tap on Google. Once you tap on Google, then this type of page will pop up. For creating multiple accounts, you have two options. You can create new account or you can sign in with your old account. So for signing in with your account, what you need to do, just enter your email. It's your choice that you enter email or your phone. Once you enter email, then click on next button. Then this type of page will pop up. Here you have the option of password. Here what you need to do, just enter the password of that Gmail which you enter. Once you enter password, then click on next button. Once you done this, then you can see your account on your screen. Once you tap on profile button, you can see your previous account and this account together. So this is how you can create multiple Gmail accounts on Android. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.